guys, this is Evelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I did an adventurous eyeliner style look that I posted on Instagram. The look is pretty simple and clean. All I did was add a white liquid liner to a regular winged eyeliner look. Although we don't generally use white eyeliner on daily basis, but I feel this look is so simple that it can be worn daily and on special occasions. So yeah, let's begin the tutorial. For color correcting my face, I'm going in with an orange concealer and I'm just gonna blend it with a beauty blender. For my foundation, I chose this Loreal Infallible one that I've been using a lot lately. I recommend this to people with oily skin who want full coverage since it's matte and lasts really long. Now to conceal my flaws. I'm using a liquid concealer to add volume to certain areas of my face. I'm also going in with a shade lighter concealer to brighten the center of my face. I personally love using lip tints as blushes. This is a bright red shade but suits my complexion really well. So I've been using this most of the time. I set my base makeup and blush with this loose powder. This Swiss Beauty loose powder brightens the face and sits really well on the skin. I would totally recommend this to oily skin type people. Now I'm going in with this press powder to set the loose powder that I applied earlier. By doing this, you can see it instantly smoothens my whole face. Now I'll fill in my eyebrows. I'm using this eyebrow gel and I'm using it all over the brow to get a nice and full brow. For this look, I contoured more dramatically. I used this chocolate brown shade to contour my face. If you find your contour looking unnatural, try switching the brush. Try a more fluffier, loose brush. Contouring this zone of my face to make the eyes appear more deep set. For eyeshadow, I'm using my everyday palette from Hilary Rhoda. I'm using the two shades of brown there. First, apply the lighter brown to the entire eyelid. Next, I'm applying a matte darker brown to add more depth. Start at the end of the crease as if you're blocking it off, and then blend it to the inner corner. Draw a cat eye with black liquid eyeliner. For a strong winged eyeliner look, fill in the waterline of your inner corners as well. Now I'm gonna go in with this white liquid eyeliner and I'm just gonna trace the black eyeliner with this white one. Now that the wing is complete, I'm slightly gonna just place a couple of dots on the eyebrow bone. I'm also gonna place it underneath the winged eyeliner and also in my inner corners. I feel this gives a nice feel to the entire eye look. Now I'm just gonna line my lower lash line with this intense black kajal. And once it's lined nicely, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown eyeshadow and just smudge in this eyeliner. Now curl your eyelashes. Apply mascara to your upper and lower eyelashes as well. And put on some falsies for a voluminous eye makeup look. Now I'm going in with some blush. I'm applying this to the outer parts of my face for a healthier glow. Now going back in with that contour shade to carve out my cheekbones and jawline. For gold highlighting powder, I'm highlighting the cheekbones, the tip of my nose and the cupid's bow. Now I'm going in with a dark brown lip liner and just lining the lips. Once that's all lined, I'm going in with a pinkish red lip liner and filling in my lips with this shade, as this will ensure my lip lasts for a very long time. Now I'm going in with this 7 Heaven lipstick in the shade Apricot and filling in my lips. Lastly, going in with this peach gloss. Before I go in with the gloss, I'm just dabbing the excess lipstick off on a tissue and then I'm gonna go in with the gloss.